Welcome to SOLIDWORKS 2024 Fundamentals. Let's launch SOLIDWORKS and get familiar with its interface. Double-click the SOLIDWORKS icon to open the software. On the home screen, select Part and click OK to start a new part. In the part environment, notice the menu bar with options like File and Edit, the ribbon tabs with various tools, and the feature manager on the left containing planes and the origin. To begin designing, select the top plane and click Sketch. Use the Rectangle tool to draw a rectangle starting from the origin. Next, click Extruded Boss Base to turn your sketch into a 3D block, specifying the depth as needed. Explore navigation tools like Zoom and View Orientation to adjust your view. On the right side, check out resources like the Design Library and Appearances. This introduction sets the foundation. We'll dive deeper into SOLIDWORKS features as we progress through the course. Now that we've familiarized ourselves with the SOLIDWORKS interface, let's learn how to navigate the 3D workspace efficiently. To rotate your model, press down the middle mouse button, usually the scroll wheel, and move your mouse. Left to right rotates horizontally, up and down rotates vertically. To zoom in and out, simply scroll the mouse wheel, ensuring your cursor is over the area you want to focus on. If your model disappears off screen, press F or click Zoom to Fit to bring it back. To pan the view, hold Ctrl and press the middle mouse button while moving the mouse. Holding Shift and pressing the middle mouse button allows you to zoom without scrolling. Right-click to access context menus for quick tool access, and use mouse gestures by right-clicking and dragging to switch views swiftly. Mastering these navigation techniques will enhance your efficiency in SOLIDWORKS. With navigation mastered, let's look at how templates can streamline our workflow in SOLIDWORKS. Every document in SOLIDWORKS, whether a part, assembly, or drawing, starts with a template. Templates are essentially blank documents with predefined settings like unit systems, inches or millimeters, backgrounds, and materials. Let's see how it works. First, click on the Home or Welcome screen and choose Advanced to view all available templates. You'll see various templates, including default ones and any you've created. Select a template to start a new document. For example, choose a My Part template and open it. You're now in the part environment with settings from the template. You can customize this document further. Change the background. Adjust the unit system, for example from inches to millimeters, and assign a material like plain carbon steel. Once you've made your changes, you can save this as a new template. Go to File, Save As, select Part Template from the file types, and save it in your desired location. To use this new template in the future, you'll need to add its folder to SOLIDWORKS file locations. Click on the gear icon for System Options, go to File Locations, and add your template folder. This ensures your template appears when you start a new document. Templates are versatile. You can create different ones for various materials, units, or project types, like sheet metal or aluminum parts. You can also share templates with colleagues by placing them in a shared folder. Additionally, consider pre-filling custom properties in your templates, such as revision numbers or placeholders for descriptions. This metadata stays with your part and can be a helpful starting point. Using templates is essential as they form the foundation for every document you create in SOLIDWORKS. They save time and ensure consistency across your projects. Understanding templates is key, but managing your files is just as important. Let's explore best practices for saving, renaming, and organizing your files. SOLIDWORKS relies entirely on file names and locations to link assemblies, subassemblies, parts, and drawings. Changing a file name or moving a file outside of SOLIDWORKS can break these links, causing errors when opening assemblies. To prevent this, plan your assembly structure and naming conventions ahead of time. Use SOLIDWORKS Treehouse to organize your assemblies, subassemblies, and parts. Assigning names and numbers before you start modeling. If you need to rename a file, do it within SOLIDWORKS by right-clicking the file and selecting Rename. This updates all references automatically. Avoid renaming or moving files using Windows Explorer, as this can lead to missing file errors. By understanding how SOLIDWORKS manages file links, you can save time and prevent issues in your projects. Effective design requires precise measurements. Let's delve into using the Measure tool in SOLIDWORKS. Whether you're working on your own design or analyzing someone else's model, measuring features is essential. To access the Measure tool, click on the Evaluate tab in the Command Manager. If you don't see it, right-click on the tabs and ensure Evaluate is checked. Once in the Evaluate tab, click on Measure. A dialog box appears, offering various measurement options. You can measure distances between edges, faces, vertices, and more. For example, select two circles to measure the center-to-center distance, minimum distance, or maximum distance between them. The tool provides not only the direct distance, but also the X, Y, and Z components. While sketching, you can use the Measure tool to find dimensions of existing features. The Measure tool is versatile. You can measure during part creation, in sketches, or when analyzing models. Remember to explore options like point-to-point measurements and measurement history. You can also pin the Measure dialog to keep it accessible. Get comfortable with the Measure tool. It's a powerful feature you'll use frequently in SOLIDWORKS. Finally, let's highlight some of the exciting new interface improvements in SOLIDWORKS 2024, and one of the most anticipated features, backwards compatibility, is finally here. Now, you can save your files not only in the 2024 format, but also as 2023 or 2022 versions. This makes collaboration easier when team members use different versions. Let me show you how it works. Go to File, Save As, and in the drop-down menu, select SOLIDWORKS 2022 or SOLIDWORKS 2023. It's that simple. Do note that if you use new features exclusive to 2024, they might not work in older versions, and you'll receive a warning. Beyond this, SOLIDWORKS 2024 includes many other enhancements. To explore them, click on Help and select What's New to open the detailed PDF with all the updates. It's a comprehensive document, and I encourage you to check it out to see how the new features can benefit you. I'm thrilled about these updates, especially the backwards compatibility, and I hope you are too.